Unraveling Idioms, the tale of Nutty as a squirrel. Hello and welcome to our English language learning journey. Today, we're going to explore a fun and fascinating phrase you might have heard, nutty as a squirrel. We'll dive into what it means, where it comes from, and how you can use it in everyday conversations. Whether you're an English language learner or just someone who loves quirky expressions, this video is for you. So, let's get started and uncover the secrets behind this nutty idiom. The phrase, nutty as a squirrel, is an idiom used to describe someone who is acting a bit crazy or eccentric. But why a squirrel, you might wonder? Well, squirrels are known for their love of nuts, collecting and storing them for the winter. This expression playfully compares a person's crazy or unpredictable behavior to a squirrel's obsession with nuts. It's a light-hearted way of saying someone is behaving unusually without being offensive. While it's tricky to pinpoint the exact origin of nutty as a squirrel, it's part of a larger family of idioms that compare people's behaviors to animals. These expressions have been around for centuries, evolving with language and culture. The comparison to a squirrel likely stems from the animal's energetic and sometimes erratic behavior, especially when gathering food, which can seem amusingly obsessive or crazy to onlookers. Using idioms like nutty as a squirrel can add color and personality to your conversations. Here are a few examples of how you can incorporate this phrase into your everyday language. When describing someone's quirky behavior, my uncle starts dancing out of nowhere. He's as nutty as a squirrel. To playfully tease friends, you bought another pair of shoes? You're getting as nutty as a squirrel with your shopping. In storytelling to describe a character, the inventor in the story was as nutty as a squirrel, always coming up with the wildest ideas. Remember, while idioms can make your language more vibrant, they're best used in informal settings. English is full of idioms like nutty as a squirrel, each adding flavor and depth to the language. These expressions make English lively and engaging, especially for language learners. Exploring idioms not only helps you understand the language better but also gives you insights into the culture and humor behind the words. We hope you enjoyed learning about the idiom, nutty as a squirrel, and feel encouraged to sprinkle your conversations with idioms to make them more engaging and fun. English is a rich and colorful language, and idioms like this one make it even more delightful to learn and use. Thank you for joining us, and we look forward to exploring more fascinating phrases and idioms together in our next video. Happy learning!